Golf to Go is brought to you by the Hagen Oaks Golf Super Shop. Here's Frank LaRosa.
Jake, when you look at those clubs and you see all the color on it, you can't help but think of a guy named Ricky Fowler who endorses Puma, and his influence is certainly there in those clubs.
Yeah, you see what he's done for Puma, what he's actually done for golf, with the amount of color and style that he's brought to the game. We're going to see how that translates to the equipment and see what kind of influence he can have on equipment. Look at the color. Look at what he's done with the style and the fashion piece. We're going to carry what Puma does well into the equipment category.
Well, you look at those two clubs and they're very hard to ignore. Tell us about the AMP line.
So the AMP family of product, AMP stands for Advanced Material Placement. It has to do with the materials they use and the way they use the materials. In the driver, we use a titanium, but we vary the wall thickness. So by doing that, we can save weight, we can move it around where we want to move it, make the club more forgiving. In the iron, we have a two-piece iron construction. So the face is actually a high-strength steel. It's thinner, it's faster ball speeds, it's more distance, and then a softer cast frame, which gives you more feel, more distance, and more forgiveness.
I tell you put engineers together with designers and you come up with something like that.
Yeah, exactly.
What I really love about that iron, and when I held it before, you put it down and you don't see any of the weighting in the back. It's just a nice face on the front. Good top line.
Quite a bit of shelf appeal, but very traditional from the appearance when you're playing it. The cavity that we use is actually a rubber compound that gives you better feel, better sound. But again, the high-strength steel in the face gives you the distance that you want. Okay,
so a set of steel in the AMP is going to run...
Set of steel is going to be $699.
Okay.
And the driver is going to be $299 for the adjustable version. And then we're going to have a $249 offset non-adjustable version.
Color's coming. Be the first. There it is, the AMP from Cobra Puma.